Field surveyors are essential for collecting precise data and information for a variety of applications. In Palam Vihar, a neighborhood in Gurugram that is quickly growing, field surveyors have become an essential component of the planning and design process. They are able to gather crucial information on land, infrastructure, and other factors thanks to their experience and knowledge, which is useful for making well-informed decisions. The field surveyors in Palam Vihar are qualified experts who make use of the most recent tools and technologies to guarantee precise measurements and evaluations. SCON design is one of the main fields where field surveyors in Palam Vihar are in great demand. Sub-Collectorate Office Complex, or SCON, is a significant infrastructure undertaking that demands precise planning and design. Field surveyors are essential to this phase because they undertake surveys of the selected area and gather information on terrain, utilities, and existing structures. Architects and engineers use this data to produce comprehensive designs that adhere to the project's exact specifications. In Palam Vihar, field surveyors' duties go beyond merely gathering information. They also contribute significantly to guaranteeing the trustworthiness and quality of the data gathered. They are in charge of confirming the information gathered using various techniques, including DGP's technology, land records, and physical measurements. Field surveyors guarantee that the design process is based on reliable information by cross-checking the data and doing thorough inspections, hence reducing errors and potential setbacks. Field surveyors in Palam Vihar excel in analysis and problem-solving in addition to their technical skills. They have received training to recognize potential difficulties and roadblocks that can appear during the design process. In order to obtain correct data and information for a variety of purposes, field surveyors are essential. Field surveyors are now an essential component of the planning and design process in Palam Vihar, a neighborhood in Gurugram that is quickly developing. Their experience and skills allow them to gather crucial information on land, infrastructure, and other factors that are necessary for making well-informed decisions. In order to assure precise measurements and evaluations, the field surveyors in Palam Vihar are skilled experts who employ the most recent tools and technologies. SCON design is one of the main industries in which field surveyors are highly sought after in Palam Vihar. The SCON, or Sub-Collectorate Office Complex, is a significant infrastructure undertaking that needs careful planning and design. By conducting surveys of the allocated area and gathering information on the terrain, utilities, and structures that are already present, field surveyors play a significant part in this process. After gathering this data, architects and engineers use it to produce intricate designs that adhere to the project's exact specifications. In Palam Vihar, field surveyors have responsibilities beyond